growling. Me too. Let's get some food. Can we eat now?
Hello, everyone. What's for dinner?
Can we have fried chicken? Please, Dad. Fried chicken and fries.
Yes!
No, no, and no. We had fried chicken last week. It is too oily, David. How about we make something together? Something fun and delicious.
Pizza! We are gonna have a homemade pizza night! Yay! Pizza!
Well, pizza is healthy if we put vegetables on it. Okay, let's do it.
Oh no, this is not good.
No sauce? No pizza? This is the worst night ever!
Do not worry, citizens. Chef David is here. I have a backup plan. We will make our own tomato sauce. It will be even better.
Do you know? We must wash our hands.
Scrub, scrub, scrub your hands. Make them nice and clean.
Wow, look at our sparkling clean hands.
Okay, here are the jobs. Tom, you wash the mushrooms and the bell peppers. Lily, you get the cheese and the pepperoni. David, you are on sharp duty.
Sharp duty. I like the sound of that. No problem. I am a master with the knife. Watch this.
Hey, no water fights. Keep the kitchen dry.
Okay, little onion. It is your turn.
I'm fine, Tom.
It's the onion. It's attacking me.
Onions have a gas that makes us cry.
It is normal. It's not normal, Sophia. It's torture. I can't see. Here, Dad.
Here, Dad. Wear your goggles. Dad, you look like a scuba diver in a kitchen.
Hey, it works. No more tears. Chef David can see again.
The famous David sauce is almost ready. Tom, come and taste this perfection.
E-W-Y-U-C-K. Oh, that is terrible. Oh, wow. You are right. That is very sour. Sophia, we need a miracle.
When using fresh tomatoes, you must add sugar and salt to balance the flavor.
Now it tastes like real pizza sauce. Good job, Mom.
Time for a quick learning break. We used some interesting words today. Let's learn 3 of them. The first word is growling. Growling. Your tummy is growling when it makes a noise because you are hungry. My tummy is growling. S-O-U-R. A lemon is sour. When something tastes sharp, like the sauce before we added sugar, the sauce is too sour. G-O-G-G-E-L-E-S. Dad wears goggles to cut onions. Okay, back to the kitchen. It is time for my favorite part. Toppings!
Look, it is snowing cheese.
Mr. Pizza Face is watching you.
I call this the whole garden and the pig pizza.
Now we must wait 20 minutes.
20 minutes? That is too long. I am going to faint. While we wait, I will perform some entertainment. Watch as I spin this dough in the air, just like a real pizza chef.
Dad, are you a ghost? The sticky dough ghost? Woo! I want cheese!
Okay, Sticky Ghost, before the pizzas are ready, we have one more job. Cleanup time.
But we want to play.
No play until the kitchen is clean.
Lily,
Do you know how to set the table properly? The fork goes on the left. The knife and spoon go on the right T. Fork on the left, knife and spoon on the right. Got it. So you are doing great. Now it's your turn to practice. This is shadowing. That means you repeat after me. Repeat after me. Listen first. My tummy is growling. Now you try. Now you try. Go. This is a new word. Stretchy. The cheese is very stretchy. Repeat after me. The cheese is stretchy. Now, a quick quiz about our story.
what did Dad wear to cut the onions? Is it A, a hat, or B, goggles? The answer is B, goggles. David wore goggles.
Looks perfect. Who wants the first slice?
Me.
Here you go, sweetie, but be careful, it's very hot. Okay, whole garden pizza is ready.
Tom, careful, it's hot. Ooh, the cheese is so stretchy. And the crust is so crunchy. Mom, this is the best pizza ever.
This slice is huge.
Look at my pepperoni.
Slow down, you two. There's plenty for everyone.
Mom, why does this pizza taste better than the pizza we buy from the store?
This pizza tastes better because we made it together. Food always tastes better when we cook it together.
And it tastes even better when you steal some pepperoni.
We hope you enjoyed our pizza night. Don't forget to help your parents with cooking. What about you? Do you like making pizza? Tell us in the comments.